2017 Volvo S70 hardtop convertible, turbo. Still got the stock converter. Then we ran 3-inch all the way up there and over into a custom Y-pipe setup right there and right there, into 3-inch tips, one right there and one right there. There it is where it comes in from over there over the axle. There's the custom Y-pipe we built, 3-inch. Hope you guys like it. This is all the stuff we cut off. There's the old muffler and the old 2 1/4 pipe. So it should flow a lot more better now. Let you hear it on the inside. Volvo S70. There's the old muffler right there.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.